Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about how to calculate the cumulative returns of a stock and visualize it with graphs. So all this using Python code. So let's get started. So before we dive into the code, let's quickly review what cumulative returns are. Cumulative returns is the total return on an investment over a period, taking into account all price changes. So it's a great way to assess the overall performance of a stock. So the formula for cumulative returns equals to the ending price minus the starting price divided by the starting price. So to calculate the cumulative returns, we take the initial stock price, compare it to the final in today's price, and this helps us to understand how much the stock has gained or lost over a period of time. Now let's see how we can calculate and visualize this. So before we start, make sure you have the Python and few libraries installed. So you will need the pandas for data manipulation, yfinance to get the stock data, and matplotlib for visualizing. So I hope you have all these three libraries installed. You can now import the libraries. So if I just run this, so this will import our all three libraries. And next we are taking the example of Tesla. So you should know what is the ticker used in the stock exchange for that particular stock, right? So and the we are taking the YF is just we are utilizing yfinance API to download the tickers, the Tesla, and the interval means for 1 day give us data and it will store into the data variable. Now our data is downloaded. Now let's see how the data looks. So it will give you the data frame format. As you can see, starting from 2010 till today's in 2025, we have all the data of all the price change. It gives you the open, high, low, close, adjacent close, and volume. Now, just to calculate the return, let's first calculate the daily return. So for daily return, we'll use the adjacent close and the percentage change function. And next, let's calculate the cumulative return. So using the daily return plus one and using the cumulative production, it will give you the cumulative product, it will give you the cumulative return. And to see if data is there, let's check the tails. So these are the last 5 records for the Tesla. As you can see, these are like 5 days, and yes, on the 3rd of 2025. Now let's visualize this data. So we are using the matplotlib here. This is the, let's make it a little bigger. And this we are using the plot function. So our x-axis is the date and y-axis is the return. And these are the labels. Let's run this. All right. Let's make it small. All right. So this is the cumulative returns for Tesla starting from 2010 to 2025 till today. As you can see, there was no much movement till 2020, but after that, these stocks kind of exploded in returns. And if you have invested in 2010, you might be sitting at 300% returns on the stock. So this is how you calculate the tutorial to calculate the returns. And what we have done, we define the cumulative returns. We loaded the data, we calculate the cumulative returns using Python and visualize using the matplotlib. So yeah, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.